Ford's signature weakness lies in its power shift dual-clutch transmission, especially the 6-speed DPS6 used in small cars like the Fiesta and Focus. This transmission uses dry clutch packs that overheat, wear prematurely, or slip, causing jerking, shuddering, bucking, or delayed acceleration. Its transmission control module can suffer electrical circuit failures, resulting in intermittent no start, loss of engagement, or warning lights. Owners have filed multiple class action lawsuits, citing abrupt downshifts, poor clutch design, and flawed software. Ford extended the transmission control module warranty to 10 years, 150,000 miles for affected models. Meanwhile, while Ford is known for building strong trucks, these transmission flaws undermine the reliability of its smaller, automatic gearbox cars. Hey, before we move forward, if you are finding this video on car brand problems and weaknesses helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical automotive tips. Chevrolet has frequently been critiqued for its interior quality and electronics, particularly in its more affordable models. Drivers report that hard plastics dominate cabin surfaces, panel gaps can widen over time, and soft touch materials are scarce. On the electronic side, Chevy vehicles from recent years have encountered issues such as screens going black, audio loss, or connectivity failures in infotainment systems. While Chevrolet positions itself as an affordable brand offering value, this cost positioning seems to come with trade-offs: inconsistent build quality and less robust electronics compared with premium rivals. A buyer should account for this by thoroughly checking fit and finish and verifying software stability before purchase. Chrysler's weakness lies in transmission failures, notably its ultra-drive systems and electrical system faults. Its ultra-drive automatic transmissions are sensitive to fluid type. Using the wrong ATF can cause limp mode shifting or second gear lockups. Many Chrysler models also suffer from electrical gremlins. Owners report Uconnect infotainment freezes, dashboard flickers, faulty wiring harnesses, and even sudden power loss due to poor ground connections. These issues have helped drive Chrysler to the bottom of customer satisfaction rankings. In J.D. Power's 2025 Vehicle Dependability Study, Chrysler had 282 problems per 100 vehicles, among the worst of all brands. Its ACSI dependability score likewise hovers in the mid-70s, indicating a long-standing reputation for weak reliability. Ram's signature weakness is build quality inconsistency, as evidenced by a steep drop in J.D. Power's initial quality study. In 2024, Ram scored 148 problems per 100 vehicles, but in 2025, that shot up to 218, placing it well below the industry average. This surge suggests that many Ram owners of newer models are encountering significantly more issues, particularly in areas like infotainment, controls, and interior systems. The large year-to-year decline indicates that recent changes to Ram's lineup or manufacturing may have compromised consistency, leading to a quality slump that new car buyers are noticing. BMW vehicles often incur very high maintenance costs, significantly more than average non-luxury cars. Routine services like oil changes can cost between $150 and $200, and brake pad plus rotor replacements may run $500 to $700 per axle. A major point of concern is BMW's cooling system, which is prone to failure because many components are made from plastic. Over time, plastic coolant hoses, thermostats, and expansion tanks can crack or become brittle, leading to coolant leaks. Their water pumps frequently fail. Many BMWs use water pumps with plastic impellers that erode, typically failing between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Repairing these cooling system issues is expensive. A water pump replacement can cost $350 to $1,100, including parts and labor. A full coolant system repair or overhaul, including radiator, hoses, thermostat, and pump, can go up to $2,000. Mercedes-Benz. It often suffers from overly complex electronics and frequent electrical faults. Many models use a dense controller area network, linking dozens of electronic control units, which makes diagnosing faults difficult and expensive. These systems power luxury features like adaptive suspension, infotainment, and driver assistance, but they add many potential failure points. Owners report problems such as flickering or dim lighting, dashboard warning lights, failing touchscreens, and sensor glitches. According to J.D. Power's 2021 Vehicle Dependability Study, Mercedes-Benz averages 122 problems per 100 vehicles, higher than the industry norm. The luxury-first design creates a trade-off: more tech and sophistication, but a higher risk of electrical or software-related failures. Mazda vehicles are known to suffer from rust and paint durability problems. Older Mazda 3, especially 2004 to 2009 models, and Mazda 6 models often show corrosion in rocker panels, wheel arches, side sills, and undercarriage due to thin paint and limited galvanized steel use. A Mazda Technical Service Bulletin for 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 documents rust and paint blister on the front side sill caused by scuff plate scratches. Severe rust in structural areas, for example side beams, of older Mazda 6 models has even been linked to reduced crash safety. While Mazda has improved its corrosion protection, for example using galvanized steel and better coatings, some common sense maintenance like frequent washing, repair of stone chips, remains essential to limit rust risk. Toyota is extremely dependable, with a low fault rate and high customer satisfaction, but its vehicles often feel bland and unexciting to drive. Its design language leans strongly conservative, avoiding bold or risky styling choices, resulting in cars critics call plain and lacking character. Many owners report that the driving feel is unengaging. Models like the Toyota Camry suffer from cheap-feeling interiors, light steering, and weak sound insulation, making highway driving less refined. Despite the reliability, some Toyota engines consume excessive oil. For instance, older Corolla models have been reported to burn a quart of oil every 1,200 miles. Moreover, Toyota's cautious design philosophy means it deploys proven, long-tested technology rather than cutting-edge innovations, which helps reliability but limits excitement. Honda is mostly reliable, but many older models suffer from clear coat or paint peeling, especially on the hood, roof, and trunk, as reported by numerous owners. In addition, many Honda cars from the early 2000s, such as Civic and Accord models, experience automatic transmission failures, often showing symptoms like slipping, jerky shifts, or complete failure around 90,000 to 110,000 miles. For example, the 2004 Accord had over 80 reported complaints of clear coat peeling, costing up to $2,000 for transmission repairs when the gearbox fails. Honda even extended the transmission warranty for some early 2000s models, up to 109,000 miles or 93 months after a class action settlement. Therefore, while Hondas are generally dependable, older models may require close attention to paint ingress and transmission health. Nissan vehicles equipped with continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, are often plagued by premature CVT failures. The most frequent issues include overheating of the transmission, which degrades CVT fluid and reduces lubrication, leading to internal damage and malfunction. Owners report shuddering or juddering at low speeds, often caused by a stretched or worn steel belt and weak pulleys inside the CVT. There is also whining, grinding, or humming noises during acceleration, which point to worn bearings or internal gears. In some cases, the transmission control module software has bugs, resulting in delayed engagement or erratic shifting. Fluid leaks, typically reddish-brown CVT fluid, are common and exacerbate overheating when fluid levels drop. Owners who've experienced failure outside warranty report replacement costs between $3,000 to $5,000. Legal and consumer rights actions, including class action lawsuits, cite cost-cutting and design, with thin internal parts or weak cooling as a root cause. Volkswagen vehicles frequently face DSG or dual clutch transmission issues, especially related to the mechatronic control unit, which often feels and leads to erratic gear shifts, delayed engagement, or limp mode warnings. The clutch packs and DSG gearboxes wear out prematurely under stop-and-go driving, causing slipping, jerking, or rough takeoffs. In addition, software glitches in the transmission control module can mismanage shift timing, triggering harsh downshifts or incorrect gear selection. Some Volkswagens also exhibit faulty solenoid valves or sensors, such as a temperature or selector level sensor, which may produce warning lights or sudden deceleration. Mitsubishi's biggest weakness lies in its aging vehicle design and steep depreciation. Many of its current models, such as the Mirage Subcompact, are criticized for having dated styling, basic interior materials, and limited technology compared to rivals. This lack of innovation contributes to very weak resale value. For example, some Mitsubishi vehicles can lose up to 46% of their value after 3 years. Moreover, the Mirage's trade-in value is notably low because buyers often view it as a cheap, no-frills car with underwhelming performance and refinement. In addition, reports highlight reliability concerns such as transmission problems, including CVT failures, which discourage long-term ownership. These combined issues limit Mitsubishi's appeal despite its affordability. Hey, every car has its own weak points, from high maintenance costs to recurring mechanical issues. Which car brand's problem surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and make sure you subscribe for more automotive insights.